Hi guys and welcome back, and today we're going to be looking at the Dorian modes. So after our rather short last video, because the Ionian was the major scale, we're now going to look at Dorian. So let's just pop that there, Dorian. Okay, and the Dorian is the second degree of the major scale. Okay, so basically when we look at the C major scale here, okay, we've got D. Okay, is the second degree. So essentially, if I start from D and go across to D, that's going to become a Dorian scale. Okay. Now, there's something else here that we kind of need to understand, because obviously what we've got is we've got ourselves the kind of major scale. We know the root kind of parent key here, and we're just saying that if we start on the D and go around, we've got ourselves a Dorian scale, which is absolutely fine. That gives us the notes D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, okay? But more realistically, what's going to happen is someone's just going to say flat out, right, I need you to play the D Dorian scale now. So you've got two ways of looking at that. You can either say, okay, well, D Dorian is the second degree of the parent major scale, Ionian, and therefore D Dorian is C major, and off you go. You just play the C major scale, but you start from D. Now, I think it's inadvisable or unadvisable to play it like that and to think of it like that, because you really need to start thinking of each individual mode uniquely, kind of separately from just its parent key, okay? That's going to really help you play the mode properly. So, as with everything, there's a formula for the mode, okay? So what I'm going to do for now is just kind of cross off this this kind of thing up here. So we're going to ignore that for a second, and we're just going to look at the formula for the Dorian, okay? So the formula for the Dorian looks like this, okay? It's a root, then it's the second, then it's the flat third, okay? Then it's the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, and a flat seven, okay? So that is the formula for a Dorian mode, okay? Okay, so I'm just going to pop that there. Now, nice, okay, reasonable. So just like any other formula, you know, you're taking your major scale and you're just popping in the notes based on what you've adjusted, okay? So, you know, for example, if I'm going to do a C Dorian, okay, so we've got the C scale up here. If I was doing a C Dorian, you know, this would be C, D, E flat, because I'd be flattening that, F, G, A, and a B flat as well. But we're not going to do that for now because it might just slightly complicate things. The main thing is that that's your formula, okay? Your first task, okay, is kind of, I guess, threefold. One, you're remembering the name Dorian, okay? Two, you're remembering that it's the second degree of the major scale, okay? And therefore, it's a minor mode, okay? So imagine that you're remembering, okay? You're also going to try and remember this formula. Now, this will come into its own, and this will become really clear why we're remembering this as well as this in a later video, okay? So just either write this down or just obviously, you know, bear it in mind. It will be obviously all underneath the video. So get that remembered, and next time we're just going to look at the third mode,